We love the Treadle pedal on our B2601, except reverse. I have a size 9 boot, and I find it very difficult to spend any amount of time in reverse. My toe slides out of here. If I just mash down on the pedal for reverse, that's very tiring for any length of time. So I made a little change, and I took a piece of rebar and I just bent it in my vise. That helps. Not much to it. I put two hose clamps here. Just slides on. I'll tighten that up later. Now, it doesn't interfere with forward, but reverse. I just slide my foot under. Doesn't make me tired spending a lot of time in the reverse. It doesn't catch on anything. It doesn't get in the way. I'm thrilled with it. I've been using it for, I bet you, 300 hours on the tractor. We're at about 360 hours on the tractor, and I made this little alteration pretty early on, and I love it. It's I think it's 1/2 inch rebar. But if you're like me and you're not enjoying reverse with the pedal, this might help. Take care.